Hey everybody, welcome back to Better Computer. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to take you through quick reviews, which is a little different from the normal sort of thing we talk about on this channel because I made this one. This isn't something someone else made and I'm critiquing or reviewing. It's something I made and want to show off to you guys. Now, don't worry, it's not a course. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm not actually making any money off this. It's just a fun little tool that satisfied a need I had, and I wanted to release it to the world. And I've seen people on social media, on Threads, on Mastodon, use it and find some use from it, and that makes me so happy. So today I'm going to walk you through quick reviews. I'll show you what it does, how it works, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, so here we are on the Mac, and I'm taking a look at my thread on Mastodon that I've been posting since the start of the year. We can scroll all the way to the top. I started with Dream Scenario, which I watched on the first of the year, and have watched a whole bunch of movies since then, and yeah, have left a review for each one in this thread. People seem to like this thread. It's a good way to find movies to watch because I watch a ton of movies, so I make a lot of recommendations. But basically, I like that I can make it look nice, make it pop in your feed, and give you just a quick impression of the movie with kind of a score-like thing. And yeah, I just like doing this. I think it's fun. And I also review these all on Letterboxd, so you can follow me there. Links in the description. But how am I making these? So here's quick reviews. This is, again, the app that I built that I am personally very happy with. I'm very happy with how it works. But yeah, you can kind of see this is a review of challengers. With my review, my score, I can change the score here quite easily. And then once I'm ready to go, I just save and copy. And there we go. It downloads the file, and it also copies the review text to my clipboard so that when I do post these reviews, I can include alt text to make sure that they're accessible to everybody, because I don't put the full text in the post. I just put it in the image, and if you can't read it in the image, use the alt text. So that I find just really nice, really easy, works for my use case. Again, this is something I built to scratch my own itch, so my needs come first, but hopefully it's useful to other people. Now, how do you actually do this? So let's say I do want to leave a review for Ford versus Ferrari. Let's say I wrote this review on Letterboxd. I want to bring it over. So let's go into the movie. So it's Ford versus Ferrari. I'm going to copy this to my clipboard, tab back over here, and you just click anywhere on the image or on the review text to change it. This is going to be Ford versus Ferrari. This is directed by... selecting text here can be annoying. We'll just do it this way. 2019 is when it came out, so I have this metadata field where you can put anything. I like to put the year and the director. You can put something else if you want, but that's just good for metadata. And then what was my review? So pretty short, copy that, paste it over here, done. But I still need to do a few things. So I want to get this image, right? The poster. Let's get this Ford versus Ferrari poster here. Let's save this to my downloads folder. And then I'm just going to drag this in, and boom, there we go. I've got the image. I can also click to upload, but just dragging the image in works easier. And I'm good to go. I could save this to my computer right now. Cool. Awesome, looks good, but let's make this a little better. Let's make it more custom for this movie. And actually, this movie I would say I liked. I didn't love necessarily. Very good movie, but not quite in the pantheon of movies I loved. So the first thing you can do, the easiest thing you can do, is change the look and feel with these pre-built themes at the top. So you can go with this green theme, red. Red's better. That's more in line with kind of how this looks. There's a blue one, yellow one. Yeah, so you can kind of find which one works for you. I kind of like this one. And then I can go ahead and actually make further adjustments. So if I maybe want my liked review to match the blue in Ford, easy enough. You can see down here we have additional theming options. So I can change my colors, the background, the bad, okay, good, and great scores. So each of these has its own color. Those line up with these guys. I can change the font size for things. So this is actually a really short review, so I'm going to boost the font size a little bit to make it fill up a little more space, make it a little easier to read. That's cool. And then I have the score names as what works for me, but you could do something else if you want. So you could say, like, hated it. And that's the review there. You could do trash or whatever. I've also seen people use star ratings. So you could do 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars if you want. Oops. And now you have star ratings. If you want to revert at any point, just hit this button to restore to the defaults. But yeah, we talked about changing this blue background color to match the blue there. Easy enough. Hit the color here. We're going to bring this in, and I'll just use the color picker to grab that blue. There we go. And that's actually not quite what I want. Let's change it to the red. There we go. There we go. That looks better. And while we're at it, let's actually just change the background color to this so it blends in. And yeah, at that point, you basically have a review. You can save. You've got the review text copied to your clipboard, and you can just post it on social media. Easy enough, right? Just go over here. Let's go ahead and drag it in. There you go. And then you can paste in the alt text. You can write your review. If this was adding to a thread, I would do that to make sure it's in the thread. I think it's really nice. It's not the fanciest thing in the world. It's not going to be for everybody, but if you want to make something like this for whatever you want to review, movies, games, music, books, I've seen people use it for all that stuff. It's really, really nice, I think, and hope you enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.